guys, it's Ruby, and today I have something very special for you guys. It involves this. A prank. Yes, I've been wanting to do a prank for so long. I love doing pranks. Today it's going to involve sneezing prank. There's water in this. Okay? And then I'm going to go sneak up behind someone and do this. Achoo! And see their reaction. Let's go. Okay, gosh, let's go. Achoo!
Oh no, don't do that. Did you record me?
Yes!
What is that you've got there?
Water inside the bottle.
Yes, but that was my medicine in there, so did you pour it out?
No, it was already finished.
It wasn't.
I didn't pour it out. I didn't pour it out. I didn't.
It's nasal spray.
That was epic. Bye-bye. Love you so much. Mwah! Just kidding. Okay, guys. That was so hilarious. That was like one of the best pranks I've ever done. Even my mom reacted it. My mom reacted. She's like, oh, don't touch me. Now, let's see. Now, please be super nice in the comments below. And make sure that you click that subscribe button. And please, and I also wanted to hope if we can get this video to 100,000 likes. Thank you. Bye-bye.